welcome back to my channel. I'm Becky, and if you're new here then welcome and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have got a little TK Maxx haul for you today. It is code orange in TK Maxx at the moment, guys. They have brought out all their spooky season stuff for Halloween and fall, and I know we're in August. I know what you're thinking, Bex, why are you getting that in so early? I have been influenced. I have been seeing all the bits on TikTok, all the bits on Instagram, and you've got to get it before it goes out the stores. I'm part of the problem. Well, I thought I'd show you some clips of what I found in store and then also some bits that I picked up today. So without further ado, grab yourself a drink and let's go on with the video. So I did only actually pick up a few bits. I think in total I spent around about £42. In fact, I've got the receipt here. I spent £42.44. It is mainly candles that I picked up, and then I did get a plant pot as well. I was really hoping they were going to have like the anthropology dupe glasses in. They did have some in, but they were flowers, and although they were really cute and I did nearly pick up one, I thought by the time I get round to wanting to use it, it's not really going to be summer anymore, and I really want the Halloween one, so I thought I'd just save, wait until I can hopefully find them in store, and then I can buy those. I'll insert some clips of some of the bits that I saw in TK Maxx. I'll insert those now. Okay, so as you can see, there's quite a lot in there. It was mainly candles. They did have some like rugs, some party wear items. That pumpkin cushion, I was so close to buying it, but it was £20, and I don't know, I just didn't want to spend £20 on the cushion. It would look perfect in my house at the moment because I've got two square cushions and then like a rattan cream like knitted one, and it would have perfectly swapped out for that one, but for the time being I'll just leave it there. They also had all the mugs, like the really nice glass mugs with like the glass pumpkins and cats in the middle. They had some lovely pink mugs. I nearly picked up the pink ghost one, but really I don't need any more mugs, and the main thing that I wanted was the anthropology Halloween like glass dupe that they do, but they didn't have that in. So I did top up on some candles and a plant pot. So I'll show you those now. So I got this plant pot. Now I have loads of houseplants, so I'm always in need of plant pots. And I thought this one was just so cute. I love the pop of colour that it's got on it as well, and I think it'll look really nice, especially like the background there maybe. Oh, hang on, I've got a mess. Oh no, it's telling me that I'm feeling stressed. The only thing I have to stress about is checking that my camera's still working, because it died on me during my last filming that I was doing, so I've just checked. We're still good. We're still going, guys. So I picked this up. This was £5.99. I thought it was a really good price. It says it was made in Portugal, and I just think it's really nice and cute. Adds a bit of colour, but still like neutral-esque. Then some of the candle bits that I picked up. Now, I feel like they have upped their game in terms of like decoration on the candles this year, because the smells are always the one. They always hit the spot, but the decoration is sometimes lacking, and they had some really nice like candles and decorations on them that were really spooky. They had some knitted ones. They had one, and I think I inserted a clip of it before, and it had like almost like hands like behind like a smoky glass type effect. I didn't pick up any of those. I did nearly pick up that one, and I put it in my basket, and then I smelt it and I put it back, because sometimes I get drawn in by the decoration and then I don't actually like the smell, so I'm never going to end up burning it. And then if I don't burn it, I can't reuse the jar to put my own stuff in anyway. So I've left that. But I did get this DW. It's very basic looking candle. I had a massive one of these a few years ago, and it was the nicest smell. And this smell now just reminds me of like Christmas and fall and Halloween in my house. So this one says it's got a burn time of 33 hours and it's an apple pie scent. Just got a little wooden top. This was £6.99. It just smells so nice. Honestly, it's like a hug in a jar. Like if I could just bottle up this smell and have it all the time, I would. So I bought this one. They did have another one that smelled very similar, same size candle, but was $7.99. So definitely smell a few different candles, guys, because it was still a DW one, so I don't know why it was £1 more expensive. Literally the only thing different that it had was like a little flower thing hanging off of it, but it looked like one of the pieces that you get off Christmas crackers. I picked that one up. This one I can burn all year, like not all year round, but all through like fall to Christmas. It's kind of like a transitional scent. The next ones that I picked up with these, now this is a really funky type candle. This again is a DW one, and it's called Pumpkin Smash, and it glows in the dark. All these little bits on the glass glow in the dark, and this little ghost on top, which I didn't actually realise while I was in the shop. This smells very similar to that. I'd say it's a bit more citrusy. I don't know what they're kind of classing this smell as. It just says Pumpkin Smash. I wouldn't say it is pumpkin. It smells like this apple pie one, but I feel like all the Halloween scents just kind of smell the same anyway. But I just thought it looked so cute, and it'll make a lovely little background decoration as well. And then to go with it, I also got this little Diddy one. Oh, sorry, this one was £8.99, so a bit pricey for it, considering it's like the same size jar as this, if not smaller. But obviously the decoration is gonna bump up the price. And how could I not get this little pink one? This isn't my favourite smell. It's not bad, but I wouldn't have bought it if it didn't look this cute. But it's got little ghosties on it. Again, I think these are glow in the dark, and it did just come with a plain black lid, but there was another pink one next to it that had this lid on. We just swapped them over. We all do it. We all do it to get the aesthetic that we want. This had a metal lid on, and I swapped it for a wooden one, so I won't tell if you will. This little one was £4.49. It's like it's trying to be cinnamony apple pie, but then it's got like a floral hint to it as well. And it's just called Ghouls Night Out. It's not that bad, but I just thought it was really cute, so I did pick that one up, and it was only a little one anyway. Now, these are the last two bits that I picked up. It's a really quick haul today, guys. Honestly, I want to go back, hopefully close to the time they'll have some more of the glasses and bits in, and then I can show you those. But I saw these candles on the TK Maxx online shop last night, and I actually screenshot them so I could look for them, and they had them in, and these are stunning. So they had a pink one, and then they had this white one, and I don't know whether you can see what the tops, I'll show you them up close at the end of the video anyway. They are so heckin' cute and just so elegant as well. This white one is cottage vanilla and pumpkin, so it classes it as pumpkin, cocoa and vanilla. Again, it's a DW one, and it just smells fresh. It smells like when you go to a really nice hotel, and it just has that spa scent to it, which I'm so happy, because both these candles smell divine, and sometimes when they look nice, they do not smell very nice, but these do. And this one is sweet apple and pumpkin, so it says pumpkin, apple and cinnamon. Oh, it smells like a bit of a zestier version than this one. I definitely have a scent that I prefer in the autumn months. And these were both $7.99, so the priciest candles. I'm not sure what the burn time is on these, but so nice, and I'm so happy that I got them. I think they're just gonna look so cute on like the side next to my other bits. So I picked those up as well. This isn't from TK Maxx, but I'll show you in this video anyway, because I don't have another video to put it in, and I have to show you guys this. It's a little Highland cow planter. This was from Aldi. I actually picked this up from my mum. They did have sausage dogs as well, and I was so tempted to get one, but they never have ones that look like Woody. It's all the black and tan, like short-haired ones, so I didn't get it, but I thought this would go so nice out of my mum's front door. It's just got a little hole in it to put your plant in, and it's just a little Highland cow. And I think this one was £6.99, but I just thought that is so cute. And it'll just, if you have seen all the next Halloween stuff and their autumn stuff at the moment, it is Highland Cow Central. So go pick up some of their bits to go alongside this, and you'll be flying. Well, it's not going to go there, it'll go outside. But I also picked that up as well. Like I said, very quick haul today, guys. A short and sweet one. If you have liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button also. And if you want to see more like this, comment down below the pumpkin emoji because it has been like, oh no, do an autumn leaf emoji. Anything fall, comment that down below and I'll catch you at the next one. Thanks guys, bye!